Hey there, awesome students! Welcome back to another exciting math lesson. Today, we're going to take our formula skills to the next level by learning how to manipulate formulas and express variables in terms of other variables. Let's begin by understanding what formulas are all about. Imagine formulas as magical equations that describe the relationships between different things. They unlock secrets, like how the length and width of a rectangle come together to give us its area. Check out this cool example. Area is equal to the length times width. But wait, what if we know the area and want to find the width? That's where formula manipulation comes to the rescue. Get ready for the magical formula transformation. We'll start with an easy peasy formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. P is equal to 2 times the length plus width. Now, imagine you're solving a puzzle and trying to find the width using the perimeter and the length. Let's break it down step by step. First, isolate the terms with the variable you want. For example, the width. Voila! P is equal to 2L plus 2 width. Now, make the magic happen. Move all the terms to the other side. P minus twice its length equals twice its width. Finally, unleash your math skills. Divide by the coefficient of the width. W, it becomes W equals P minus 2L over 2. Are you ready for a quick quiz? Show us what you've got. Number 1. Express the area of a square in terms of its side length. Number 2. You have the formula for the volume of a cube. V is equal to side times side times side. Express the side length in terms of the volume V. Feel free to pause this video and you will be given a few seconds to think before providing the answers. Now, get ready to level up and tackle some formula challenges. Now, we'll explore a more complex formula, the quadratic formula. For a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the solution for x is given by x equals the quantity of negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Buckle up, it's time to express the coefficients a in terms of the other variables. Let's break it down step by step, like mathematical superheroes. Begin with the original formula x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Ready to rock? Isolate the terms with the variable a on one side. Watch out for the obstacles. Move all the other terms to the other side. You're almost there. Divide by 2x and save the day. There you go. You have a equals plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac minus b over 2x. Time for another thrilling quiz. Number 1. Express the circumference of a circle in terms of its radius. Number 2. You have the formula for the volume of a cylinder. V equals pi r squared times height. Express the radius r in terms of the volume v and the height h. Feel free to pause this video and provide your answers. Congratulations on completing this epic adventure. Remember, math is all around us and your skills will continue to grow as you take on more challenges. You've got this. If you have any questions or want to share your math discoveries, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay curious and until next time.